Hello everyone, this is Amni and we are from Group 4. Today we are representing our project title Fashion Tech and this is our phase 1.0 and here is my teammate Ashwant. This is our first homepage which shows us first name and last name and email of the uh, client where he can log in, and once he logged in he can see the brands whatever he wants to explore, and he can go through. I mean, we have two categories in it, male and female. They can go what type of dresses they want. The next page will be explained by next month.
So the basically our main criteria was focusing on formal wear for the students especially. So being an international student, the main idea came from the formals. Like we have a meetings and career phase. So based on that, I thought I gave an idea and go on to the homepage. Let's go to the homepage again. So the main when you successfully log in, it shows like you have successfully logged in with your name, first name, last name, and the email. And you can there is two options like you can log in and log out, and the next page. So we got like brands like male and the female. So the main focus was like especially people they go for the brands like Zara, CK, H&M, and we got a lot more. But I included only three brands. And next page we have got categories. So in categories, I thought like putting the live, I mean offers or deals or something else in this, like male and female. This is our first version of 1.0, and the next would be virtual try on. In virtual try on. So we could be having like to upload the file, like take a picture in your phone or in the system. You will be having to try like a dress 1, dress 2, dress 3. So only the three dresses which I this have tried to put it on, like. So it takes a layer of first layer, taking a picture and putting the second layer, it shows you the result. And the next would be location. In the location phase, I was trying to build it like accurate. I couldn't get the API keys in the first phase for the Google API from the Google Maps. So it went like a location altitude and longitude, and it gives you that like that. And then about I kept the reason like what I said, like it's based on the formals. So the main criteria should be on formals. And let's go to the phase two. So in the phase 2, this is 2.0 version of the next phase. It is advanced. So I built it like first name, last name, email. It shows active users, how many users has actively signed in. And the next would be category. So in the category, I have updated like male and female. It shows like a Zara CK, and you can see there as a bottom active offers. So I pushed it down to the next phase. So virtual try on, this is the next advance. So it shows like when you open the camera, it shows like a active, really active thing. So I can capture myself and I can upload it on the file. So it works really pretty well, and it has a automotive AI generative. Like I took it from the DeepSeek API key, so it helps. Like currently, it is working on, and it's a free version for some point of time, and it's expiring very soon. And the next would be last locations. Locations, I got it for a free time from the Google API, so it was working fine for me. And when I tried it for this, like in the April, it shows like something went wrong. But I can get my location, like altitude, longitude for now. And in the about, it's the same thing. So welcome to the fashion tech world. And the last would be the code for 2.0. So here is the basic structure. So the main criteria was going with the HTML and CSS and JavaScript. I got three. Like in the main, I go with the zoom up. Yeah. So this is the style sheet. So I got it from the CSS. I searched it from the libraries and I took some references. And the next would be class logo, the logo which I was designed in the app. So I got the logo of myself, my, the essential of my name. Why? And the nav button, here you can see button IDs. I created like 5 IDs, like home toggle, category toggle, virtual try on toggle, location toggle, about toggle, and the next would be home page. In the home page, here are the inputs where you can see text ID is the first name, text ID would be the last name, and the email is the another ID, and where you have a button called submit to log in and I mean sign in and sign out. And the next would be see JavaScript. In the JavaScript, we got like same thing: homepage, category, virtual try on, location, and about page. And in this, I written all the queries to work with the JavaScript. It's like a working on the buttons where it shows like a navigating from one page to other page, where you got like everything in this. Next is the last is this CSS, cascading styles. So it gives a color and for the background images like the buttons, the fonts, and the home page. Everything has been designed here. Here is a whole body for that, and RPG colors have been set. Like you can see like 0001. Every RPG has one name and the one color and one number for that. And phase one, I got it in the phase one. Phase one. Phase one also has a code where you can see this is the basics initial stage. It took a lot of time. Like this is the basic one. So this was designed in the month of January 2025, and it ran like nearly to the March end. So in the phase 2.0 version, it was designed in the month of April, and it took almost like 600 times to change the code all the time all the way, and this is our main motive. And 3.0 version is much better than this. It goes like referring from links to links, and this is our project. And thank you.
Yeah, thank you.